Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Many students are asking about the CMA final direct taxation preparation strategy as well as guest questions for June 2024 examination. I hope all you are writing your examinations very well. So please continue the same momentum till last examination. Definitely you will get better marks than you expected. Definitely you will get the better marks. Yes. If you are observing the CMA final direct taxation chapters, I'm categorizing that all the chapters into A, B, C categories. So all the chapters into A, B, C categories. The first, I'm categorized the, what are the chapters under A category? Please make an observation. Basic concepts, return of income, assessment procedure, next search, seizure, survey, appeals, revisions, advanced tax and interest, business restructuring and reconstruction, PCBP. Next, assessment of various entities, DTAA, non-resident, transfer pricing. Next, in liabilities in special cases chapter, only equalization levy part. So these are all are the chapters covered under A category in my point of view. Why I am covering these are all the chapters in A category? If you are prepared these A category chapter, definitely you will get 70 plus marks. Question paper also will get weightage of the question paper also definitely from the A category chapter 70 marks. What are the chapters? I am repeating once again. Basic concepts, return of income, assessment procedure, search, seizure, appeals and revision, advanced tax and interest, business restructuring and reconstruction, PCBP, assessment of various entities, double taxation avoidance agreement, non-resident, transfer pricing, in liabilities in special cases, okay, equalization levy and cash restrictions. Why I am categorizing the cash restrictions into A category? Because we have an amendment in that points. So these chapters, if you are preparing, first please give the preference to these chapters only. Definitely you will get 70 plus marks questions from this chapter itself, these chapters itself. Next, what are the chapters covered under B category? So whatever that concept covered in the liabilities in special cases, that are other concepts, tax planning, and next chapter GOR and penalties. These chapters I am categorized into B category. So only how many chapters? More or less 3 chapters. Tax planning, GOR, as well as the penalties I am categorizing into as B category chapters. Why these are the B category? You may get questions. If you get the question, definitely 8 mark question from the tax planning chapter. Okay. Next, block money. So please check it out. Block money, advance ruling, chapter 6A deductions, TDS and TCS, ICDS, income tax authorities, collection recovery and refund, dispute resolution committee. These are the C category. Definitely, if you haven't sufficient time, just refer that concept. If you don't have any time, ignore. No issue. No issue. I think you will get the question paper for nearly 130 marks. So we have an internal choice also. That's why don't think about the C category chapters. Next. Yes, I'm giving the guest concepts as well as guest questions also. First, whatever that concept I'm giving as an concepts like bullet points, please refer that concept first. Then after, please solve all the problems. So all the problems means nothing but what are the questions I'm mentioning in these. That means first, basic concepts chapter, I'm given the, please refer the tax rate. After that, surcharge rate. Next, rebate. Next, section 115 BAC, BAC subsection 6 BAE. Because these are amendments. And next, we have in some MCQs also, we can get concept from the marginal relief. So that's why just refer these concepts. That's enough. That's enough from the basic concepts. Don't invest more and more time in the basic chapters. So just refer the concept. Definitely you will remember all the things in your examination. Don't think about it. Don't lose your confidence also. Just refer the concepts. Enough. Next, while you are preparing the return of income, please solve these questions. I am mentioning the question numbers as well as a concept headings, all the things from the version 2 material. I think many students, my regular batch students as well as exam oriented batch students are already this version 2 material color books are already you have in your hands. So please refer all the question numbers from your version 2 material only. And after that, you have to refer the section 140, that is a verification of return of income concept also. Next, after completion of these things, definitely you have to refer the section 143.1 summary, 143.3 scrutiny assessment, 144 best judgment assessment, 147 reassessment, that is an income escapement assessment. Next, dispute resolution panel. After the completion of this thing, just refer these questions also from your workbook. So already mentioned the clear cut question numbers. Please refer that only. Please give the priority to these question numbers as well as the concepts. If you haven't enough time, yes, you can refer the other concepts as well as questions also. So in my experience, definitely, yes sir, I am suggesting you to do these first concepts, after that question numbers. That's enough. If you have enough time, definitely you can refer all the things also. Definitely regular batch students as well as exam oriented batch students, definitely you can complete the revision. If you are writing the only single group, you have in nearly 2 days time. If you are attempting both groups, maybe you have in less than 1 day. So that's why I want to give you that, yes sir, guess questions as well as guess concepts. Please refer these concepts itself. Definitely you will get the 60 plus marks. 60 plus marks definitely you will get. Next, if you are observing that, sir, why I am giving these concepts? Because we have in, yes sir, in these three concepts, so first three concepts, 143.1, 143.3, 144, we have an amendment in the time limits. That's why I am giving this concept. So there is a reason for selecting these questions based on the past examination trends also. I think you know our workbook, yes sir, containing the past examination questions as well as about MTP questions as well as our study material questions. That's why I'm easily pick the questions from the workbook. So next, if you are observing that, we have to refer the section 132 concept. So in section 132, all the points you should refer: presumptions under such, powers of authorized officer, yes, deemed or constructive seizure. Next, you have to refer the presumptions under such also. All the things you should refer. Survey also. Next, door-to-door survey. Next, you have to refer these questions from our workbook. Next, appeals and revision chapter, just revise the appeals. Appeals normally time limits within what date. Next, yes, you have to refer the revision under section 263, 264. Next, refer these questions. So next, in advanced tax and interest, refer section 234C concept, and please do that section question number 1, question number 4, question number 6, question number 8. So whenever I am mentioning the concept, please refer that concept along with that remaining questions also you should do. Yes, PCBP, many students are thinking about how to read that entire chapter. No need to read that entire chapter. In your preparation time, already you are prepared for all the concepts. But before examination time, please refer the depreciation concept, specified business. Section 35 is specified business. Why we have to refer the specified business topic? Because that is a concept involving in the tax planning chapter. That's why we have to refer here itself. Next, section 36, other deduction, disallowances, 40B, assessment of partnership firm. So just refer only. No need to do practice, etc. Just refer 2 to 3 minutes. 43B, there is an amendment. Presumptive taxation, there is an amendment. That's why. Next, please do these questions without any fail. Please do these questions first without any fail. Next, in assessment of various entities also, students are thinking about how to solve all the questions. No, not required. Just refer the math, section 79, 79A, optional tax rate for the companies, business trust, charitable trust, and exit tax of the charitable trust, AMT, political parties, and refer all the questions. Just practice at least each model one question. Next, in DTA chapter, all these things, please do these things. Yes, ma'am. So do these questions along with these concepts. Please give the preference to the permanent establishment, models of DTAA, one MCQ you can get from this concept, and these are the SR relief. So exemption with the progression method, ordinary tax credit method, as well as an underlying tax credit method, as well as unilateral relief. And please refer question number 2. This is a tax pairing related question. Tax pairing method. So definitely you can get this type of questions in an examination. If you are preparing exclusively CMA final, definitely you haven't these concepts or these methods of an DTAA we have. So if you are preparing for CA final, we have an only 90A 90. 91 only. But we have an exemption with the progression, ordinary credit method, underlying credit method, as well as tax pairing also. So that's why I refer the concept book along with the workbook. Next, whenever I am giving the yes sir bullet points, these are the concept book reference points and question numbers from the workbook. Yes, if you are observing that non-resident chapter also same, as well as transfer pricing also, as well as equalization levy. Next, B category chapters also I am given the concept. And coming to the C category, so for these only I am given the what ma some concepts as well as in question numbers. So ICDS, Income Tax Authorities, Collection, Recovery, Refund, Dispute Resolution Committee. If time permits, just refer. Otherwise, ignore. No issue. Otherwise, no issue. So this is only the thing I want to communicate to all the students. So please refer the concepts of which I mentioned as an what mark guess concepts, and refer the workbook questions which I mentioned in the what mark this PDF. That's enough. Definitely you will get the 70 plus marks. So 70 plus marks means definitely you will get the 19 to 95% of the questions from these guess concepts as well as guess questions only. But you have to prepare all the things in conceptual way. One more thing. Sir, I don't know some concepts as well as some chapters also. I think already we have an part 1 as well as a part 2 marathons in this YouTube channel. Yes, you can refer that all the things also. In quick manner, you can revise the concepts. Yes. So I think this PDF as well as all the things will be available in the description box as well as in the Telegram group also. Please check it out. So if any person wants to prepare from the concept book as well as a workbook, if you want to prepare the preparation from the concept book as well as workbook, e-books only available in my app. So app link also available in below description box. Please check it out. Ebook means yes, you can view, but you can't download to your internal storage. If you want, yes, you can purchase by using the app and yes, that's enough for the guest questions as well as a preparation strategy. Please prepare first A category chapter, then after go to the B category, then after if you have enough time, then go for the C category chapters. So I hope you understood that all the things. So I will circulate this PDF also to the Telegram groups. Thank you. Have a nice day.